Hey guys! Welcome to Ginger's Doll World. In this video, I create my own little craft room. Can't wait to show you how I did it! I love creating doll crafts, especially doll rooms and dollhouse makeovers. But I need some space to help me be more creative and inspired. So I created my own little craft room. I wanted it to be permanent so I can take more pictures for my Instagram account, @Ginger's Doll World. Please follow me there for behind-the-scenes pictures, sneak peeks at my projects, and so much more, @Ginger's Doll World. Okay, let's get started. First, I remove my things from the shelf. I'm using foam board covered with paper. This is one of my favorite wallpapers. I can't remember where I got it. I love the pink, so I'm going to use it on all 3 walls. On the right side, I made a little corkboard to hang some pictures. I used some corkboard from the dollar store, I painted it silver, and framed it with coffee stir sticks I painted white. On the left side, I hung a little memento from Skull Academy. This picture used to hang in the front hall of the school, on the doll show we created called Skull Academy. I painted the frame white. For the back wall, I have the shelf that I already decorated. I got the shelf from a garage sale, I painted it white, and I decorated it with little craft supply items plus dolls, because this is a doll channel. I also painted a couple of building blocks to put it under the shelf to give it more height. On the right side, I'm going to add this little shelf I bought at IKEA. Lola made me this little cute vase when she was in kindergarten, so that's definitely going in the room. I'm also going to display some of my crafts, some Monster High dolls because of Skull Academy, and lots of cute little stuff. In this corner, I'm going to put a plant because every room needs at least one plant. I also have a little mannequin displaying a dress I revamped. That video is on this channel. Plus I have more doll clothes to give makeovers to. I also have a little Barbie doll because now this channel will mostly be about Barbies. My tripod and camera. More plants. And here's a cute little rug from IKEA. For my work table, I painted 2 wooden blocks white, used them for legs, and a piece of wood as the tabletop. I'm not going to glue it together so it's easier to store away or if I need my shelf back. Here's a little crochet rug my mom made, a bench I painted black, and now for the tabletop. I have this desk lamp I found at the dollar store, my little laptop from eBay, but it doesn't stay open, so I use this little notebook to prop it up. Some pencils, flowers, my water bottle, and teacup. There, all finished. I love how it turned out. Thanks so much for watching. Gotta go and work on my new crafts. Bye for now.